Hey guys, CC here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be doing some really cool Halloween gift packages for kids. It's that time again, guys. Halloween is right around the corner, and these gift packages are definitely going to be a treat. Almost everything in this video is purchased on Amazon. I found these really cute Halloween gift bags and the novelty toys, as well as candies, chocolates, so many fun items to bring this gift package to life. Go ahead and pack these gift bags as you wish. Just ensure that they are filled with novelty toys, chocolate, candies, and all the Halloween goodies that your kids love. Just have fun with this process. You don't have to spend a lot of money on these baskets. I'm sure they'll appreciate the time and effort that you put into it, and they'll enjoy the goodies inside. Hopefully you enjoyed those gift packages, because this next one you're going to love. Spooky cups are back, guys. This is one of my favorite gift packages that I've made so far. I just love how creative and fun they are to make. I got these Halloween cups also from Amazon, and these are pretty cool. They are color changing cups, so when you add liquid, it will change the color of the cup. So it's pretty cool. And I just add a bunch of novelty toys, candy, chocolate, and anything cool that could fit. Also have headbands, also from Amazon. This video should be sponsored by Amazon. Everything was purchased on Amazon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed today's video.